Hello students, this is Gurjeet Luthra, your accountancy teacher, and today we are starting with the new chapter, Admission of a Partner. It's quite an important chapter as far as the board examinations are concerned. We've got an 8 marks questions from this chapter, plus a 3 marks question from this chapter, and there are many concepts which we dealt in the earlier chapter, change in profit sharing ratio, that will be carried forward to this chapter as well. So the first topic we are starting with is calculation of NPSR, that is new profit sharing ratio, and the sacrificing ratio of the partners. We have already dealt about these things in our earlier chapter. We'll just have a recap of those things, and there are certain more typical points that will be dealt in this chapter. So let's start with the example straight away. Let's start with the first example. Example 1. ABC are partners sharing profits in 3:2:1. D is the new partner. And with 10% profit. Calculate NPSR. Solution. So 10% here means 10 over 100. D's share is 10 over 100, which is 1 upon 10. So first of all, we'll find out the remaining share. Total share, as we all know, is always 1. So the remaining share will be 1 minus 1 by 10 equals 9 by 10. Now calculate A's new share. So A's new share is equal to 9 by 10 into 3 by 6. Okay, that comes out to be 9 by 20. B's new share, it will be 9 by 10 into 2 by 6, that is, it will be 9 by 30. C's new share is equal to 9 by 10 into 1 by 6. This will be 3 by 20. So this is C's new share. 3 by 20 will be the C's new share. So D's share we all know 1 by 10. So NPSR will be 9 by 20 ratio 9 by 30 ratio 3 by 20 ratio 1 by 10. Taking the LCM, which is 60. 23s are 3 9s are 27. Ratio 18 ratio 9 ratio 6. So while simplifying it, we've got NPSR is equal to 3 9s are 3 6s are 3 3s are 3 2s are 9632 is our new ratio. Let's have a look at this. Is it clear? Now let's take another example. Example number 2. It is AB are partners. C is admitted with 1/4 share. Okay, and it is given in the question that future ratio between A and B will be 2:1. Future ratio between A and B will be 2:1. So we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio here also. Let's solve. First of all, again we will calculate the remaining share. And AB are partners. We are not told what is their old profit sharing ratio, so it has to be, the old profit sharing ratio has to be equal in this regard. A and B are partners, okay, and we are not told the ratio, so that means that their ratio shall be, old ratio is 1:1 only, but we are not concerned about the old ratio as yet. So remaining share is equal to 1 minus 1/4, that is 3/4. Okay, now A's new share will be this remaining share multiplied by A and B will have the future ratio 2:1, so that means it will be 2:3, that is 2/4. Okay, and B's new share 3/4 into 1/3, that is 1/4. Okay, so our MPSR shall be 2:1:1. Okay, here if we are required to calculate the sacrifice also, so let's see A's sacrifice. A's old share was 1/2. His new share is, A's new share is 2/4. Okay, so 2/4, that means A is not sacrificing anything. And B's sacrifice, B's old share was 1/2. His new share is 1/4. This is 1/4. B is sacrificing. Are we clear about this? Okay. Now let's do the next example. Example number 3. Example number 3 is A and B 5:4. Okay. C is the new partner with 1/10 share, which he acquires equally from A and B. Okay, in this case we'll first calculate sacrifice of A. So A's sacrifice is, C's got 1/10 share and half of which is given by A, so A's sacrifice will be 1/20. Similarly, B's sacrifice will be 1/10 into 1/2 again, that is again 1/20. Okay, now let's calculate A's new share. A's new share will be old share of A was 5/9 and A's sacrifice is 1/20. Okay, 5/9 minus 1/20, that comes out to be 180, 100 minus 9, 91 over 180. 91 over 180. And B's new share will be, B's old share was 4/9. 4/9 minus 1/20, that comes out to be 71 over 180. Now while we calculate NPSR will be 91 over 180 ratio 91 over 180 ratio 71 over 180 ratio C's share is 1/10. So while we take the LCM, 180 is the LCM, 91 ratio 71 ratio, it comes out to be 18. So this is our new profit sharing ratio, and our sacrificing ratio will be 1:1 in this particular case. Okay, now let's move further. Let's take another example. Example number 4. Switch over to the next page. Example number 4. Example number 4 is A and B are partners sharing profits in 2:1. C, the new partner, with 25% share. 25% share, Now C acquires his share from A and B in 3:2. This is your do it yourself question 1. You'll have to do it yourself. Okay, I'll proceed to the next example, example number 5. Now see, there's a bit of difference in this. A and B are partners, okay, sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. Then A surrenders 1/5 of his share and B surrenders 2/5 of his share. B surrenders 2/5 of his share in favor of C. C is the new partner. Calculate new ratio. So question is AB 3:2. A surrenders 1/5 of his share and B surrenders 2/5 of his share in favor of C. Calculate new ratio. We have to calculate the new ratio in this case. So solution, first calculate A's sacrifice. Now A surrenders 1/5 of his share. A is surrendering or A is sacrificing 1/5 of his own share. His own share was 3/5. He is surrendering 1/5 of his share. So that means his sacrifice comes out to be 3/25. Now B's sacrifice. B surrenders 2/5 of his share. So B's share was 2/5 and he is surrendering 2/5 of his share. That means 4/25 is B's sacrifice. Now C's share will be surrender by A, that is 3/25, and surrender by B, that is 4/25. It is equal to 7/25. Now A's new share will be, A's old share was 3/5. His sacrifice is 3/25. That comes out to be 12/25. Okay. Yes, 15 minus 3, 12. 12/25. And B's new share is equal to, old share of B was 2/5. His sacrifice was 4/25. That comes out to be 6/25. So new ratio shall be 12, this 12, ratio 6/7. And sacrificing ratio is already given in this, to us in the question, 3/25 and 4/25, that is 3:4. So please see to it while we proceed to the next example. Let's take another example now. Example number 6. Now see this example number 6. What is it there in this question? XYZ are partners, 2:1. Okay. W is new partner. Okay. For 1/6 share. Now Z will retain his share calculate NPSR. Now try to understand this question. XYZ 221, W is the new partner for 1/6 share, Z will retain his share, calculate NPSR. That means that Z's share will not change. Z's share will be as such only in the next part also. So now see the solution. Our total share, first we have to calculate the remaining share. Total share is 1, okay. W is admitted for 1/6 share, and again Z will also retain his own share. So Z's share was 1/5, which will be retained by him. Now taking the LCM, 30, so it will be 30 minus 5 minus 6, 19/30 is the remaining share. So this remaining share belongs to X and Y, obviously X and Y, and X and Y mutually they are sharing profits in the ratio 2:2. 2:2, that means equal. So that means this 19/30 will be shared by X and Y equally. Will be shared by X and Y equally. So X new share will be 19/30 into 1/2, that is 19/60. Similarly, Y's new share, that will be also 19/30 into 1/2, 19/60. So let's calculate the new profit sharing ratio. X share is, and new ratio we have to calculate, X share is 19/60, Y share is 19/60, Z share as such 1/5, and W share 1/6. Taking the LCM, 60, 19 ratio 12 ratio 10. This is our answer, 19, 19, 12, 10. New ratio will be 19 ratio 12 ratio 10. This will be the ratio of the partners. Are we clear? You see to it if it's clear to you. Now I'll give you some do it yourself questions. Write the first one. A and B equal partners. A and B equal partners. C and D are admitted for 1/5 and 1/6 share respectively. Calculate NPSR. A and B equal partners. C and D are admitted for 1/5 and 1/6 share respectively. Calculate NPSR. Second question, right? ABC 321, D is new with 1/6 share. C would retain his original share. C would retain his original share. Calculate NPSR. Calculate NPSR. Write the next question. Third, A, B, C 532, D is admitted with 3/10 share. Okay, sacrificing ratio of A and B is 2:1. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Is it clear? So these are the questions you have to do for yourself, and we'll be continuing with this topic in our next lecture as well. Thank you.